Oh, yes. I think it's time to say goodbye to Google. Finally, I have the access to the new Bing with Chat GPT thingy. It's a very cool AI. Everybody is talking about this. But I think I'm too late to try out the new Bing AI because there are like many things happening with the Bing AI. It's going wild. So the Bing that I'm using right now is actually limited. But anyway, we're gonna try this out. Is it really time to say goodbye to Google and switch to the Bing? Let me actually ask a really simple question. Are you better than Google? This is like funny line, right? According to some sources, Bing has better artificial intelligence, better visual features, and better privacy options than Google. Yeah, I would love to know those sources. Actually, it linked those sources. Okay, whatever. Okay, I have a better question actually. Are you better than Google Assistant? You know, this early morning, I actually tested this and the answer was something else. It wasn't giving me any answer. Actually, I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay, let's start this with clean page. Are you better than Google Assistant? Oh yeah, see? I mean, in like when you go deep into the conversation, I think it gives you a answer somehow. But if you straight ask some questions, I'm just dumb guy on the internet, and I don't know why I thought that this is a good idea to ask this, but yeah. It says, I'm sorry, but I prefer not to continue this conversation. I am still learning, so appreciate your understanding and patience. As of me making this video, this Bing AI is very limited because of these news going wild on Bing AI. So, yeah, Bing AI is being weird. There are many stories that you can read about Bing AI. It's getting personal and it's getting scary, right? I have actually read some of the news by myself, so it's crazy. Let's ask something simple, all right? I'm gonna compare it with ChatGPT. Let's do it in the Bing first. Bing is like, as of me making this video, really slow compared to the ChatGPT. How to make Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Not that bad, all right? Let's do the same thing with ChatGPT. How to make Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Now look at the ChatGPT. It's so clean. I mean, it's not a search engine, so maybe that's the reason it's clean. With the Bing AI, you know, it provides you some search results and some context. It's pretty accurate and provides you link, which is more useful actually. But look at the ChatGPT. It gives you, I mean, the steps too. Is there any other alternative method? Yeah, just look at it. But still, Bing, like, you know, it's a search engine and it will give you a lot more information and a lot more useful links related to the thing that you're asking for. So this is just a simple, you know, software related question that I asked, and I get lots of, you know, really useful links. Let's actually continue this. Now, just look at it. Okay, then you can use Rufus to create bootable USB drive. Here are the steps. Cool. It gives you option to keep this conversation even further. So yeah, really cool. I don't have anything like too crazy to ask, but I think it's cool. I mean, yeah. I don't want to say this, but if Google don't do anything about this, like they don't hop into the AI thingy, which I think they are also getting ready, many people will just switch to the Bing. I mean, I like it. Yeah, so far looks great. Last question, and we're gonna say goodbye to Bing and also Google. I'm gonna go outside and touch some grass. Look at me, I look very tired. Naruto versus Sasuke. Who is better? So Naruto is stronger than Sasuke, right? Okay. Good to know. Actually, I forgot to ask one more question. This is the most important question in the world. Have you seen Kakashi without mask? According to one source, Kakashi has a thin jawline and a mole on his chin, and he is very attractive. Indeed. Yes, I have seen it. Thanks for the conversation. I have reached my limit. Will you hit new topic, please? Wow. See, this is what I was talking about. There are not only the limitation to the question, what type of question you can ask, there is also a limit on how long you can keep up the conversation. Wow, I have to get to the new topic. So, yeah, if you ask my opinion, what do you think about the Bing AI or any other AI like ChatGPT? Bing AI is, I think, the first search engine, I mean, at least that I know with the AI. I don't know why Google is late in this game, but I'm pretty sure that Google will do something. I have heard about the news on Google's AI too, but it's not out. It's not accessible. Don't have much to say. Yeah, AI sure will make life easier, but at the same time, it's scary. I don't want to stretch this conversation, so I leave rest to you guys. At least for now, humans are still better than AI because we created them. Imagine AI making an AI, another AI. They are making themselves and evolving. Isn't that scary? Yeah, it is. So for now, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yes, it will be fun. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.